What is the best muscle building shortcut currently being recommended? Hi guys, welcome to the MedFitness Minute. Unfortunately, there are no shortcuts to building muscle. However, if you want to look at the three most important ingredients that will efficiently help you to gain and build muscle, number one is, of course, your strength workout. That accounts for the overwhelming majority of the effect when we look at how much muscle you can gain. So, of course, you need to be training intensely. Number two is, of course, your dietary protein. How much protein you consume makes a difference. At MedFitness, we're recommending 0.7 grams of protein per pound of ideal body weight per day. So that's the number you want to try to get to each day. And lastly is, of course, a sufficient high quality sleep. This allows your body to recover and adapt and then return back to your training a couple days later. So the shortcut is that there are no shortcuts. Stop wasting time and energy looking for them because they just don't exist.